Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve white screen on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve white screen on CapCut app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to CapCut and you will enter. Then here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.